how to block someone on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Truecaller. First, all you need to do, open Truecaller and go to messages. Now just select any chat you want here, like Spotify. Now click these 3 points in the top corner, and after that here you will find block Spotify. Click on it, and now click Truecaller and click set as default, and that's it. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.